I'm different from other coaches because I meet clients for a walk in nature here in Victoria Park in East London. Nature creates a conducive environment for my coaching clients. Here in the fresh air, I invite clients who are ready for it to have a deeper conversation with themselves. My coaching is not about setting hard and fast goals and achieving them. My approach is holistic and happens organically, taking into account the whole person, their desire, their values, what most matters to them, their purpose and direction, so they can thrive and grow into the person they want to become.